surprise party popper! What a tasty-looking torn paper strawberry! Today, Scraps is getting some help from one of the mini-makers.
Hi, I'm Taya, and today we're going to make a torn paper strawberry. Here's how to do it. Get a piece of lilac card and lay it down on your work desk. After that, you get your red piece of card and slowly tear it into a strawberry shape. Gently tear around until you've got your shape. Lots of little tears. And when you've done that, glue it down onto your piece of purple card. And after you've done that, get your green card and gently tear some green leaves to fit onto your strawberry. And finally, get your luminous yellow stickers and stick them all over your strawberry. And there you have it. It looks really yummy, doesn't it?
What a scrumptious strawberry! Thanks, Taya. And you can make any type of torn paper fruit you like. Amy, that looks amazing. What have you made?
I made a tomato.
Oh, well, it's very nice indeed. And how did you make all the seeds?
I used little yellow stickers.
Well, they look brilliant. What a great tomato. Fletcher, this is very interesting. You've made some corn. Now, you used different types of paper. What have you used?
I've used brown paper, a light yellow paper and a darker yellow paper so it gets the effect of the corn.
It looks really good. This looks like a very healthy picture. Jessica has made some cherries. And what finishing touches have you added?
I've added 2 stickers for light reflection, a stalk and a leaf.
Wow, it looks brilliant, just like the real...